Welcome to Age and Flourish. Today we are cooking bitter leaf soup. Delicious bitter leaf soup with a tweet. So I have the ingredients here. I have my meat, goat meat, that I have seasoned and cooked. It's cooked tender. So that's what we're going to use. Then I have kale. I'll tell you why kale. I have bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf. It's not more bitter. Then here is the dry fish. I have the dry fish to eat. Then I have the flax seed for thickening the soup. I'm going to mix it. I have my pepper, ground pepper, and the seasoning. Then oil, 1 spoon of oil. Then I have the native Maggi called Ogidi. Then I have this oatmeal. I'm going to mix it with the flax seed to be able to thicken the soup. Then I have my crayfish, and also I have the salt. Okay, so let's go on. Now I put the meat on the stove. Then I have to add the other ingredients. I want you to subscribe, like, and share this video so that you get more videos even as I make my videos. So the ingredients are now entering: the dry fish, the crayfish, the ground pepper, and the Knorr powder, seasoning powder. So I add as much as that you can tolerate. So where are you watching this video from? I want you to comment, tell me where you're watching from, and tell me if you have ever cooked bitter leaf soup and how does it taste. Okay, so now the ingredients are simmering together, so this is the time to add the bitter leaf. Now I have my washed bitter leaf. Add this bitter leaf to it. Bitter leaf soup is a very delicious soup for Nigerians, especially those that live in the eastern Nigeria. So we are the Igbos. That's our cultural soup, and it's our delicacy. So when we call it bitter leaf soup, it doesn't really bitter because the bitter leaf is being washed. You wash it very well. At times after washing it, you can parboil if it's still bitter to remove the bitterness to a great extent. So this is the local Maggi, the local seasoning that gives it the flavor and the taste of the bitter leaf soup. So yeah, the bitter leaf soup is getting together. So you have to turn down the heat so that I will now add the thickening. The thickening is the flaxseed mixed with oatmeal. That it replaces the cocoyam that we normally use for thickening. When we pound cocoyam, you boil cocoyam and pound it and use it to thicken the bitter leaf soup. But in this one, I use flaxseed mixed with oatmeal. See how thick it has become. Now this is the time for us to put the kale. Kale is a very nutritious leafy vegetable. It's a little bit bitter, not too much. That is why it goes very well with bitter leaf soup. It has a lot of nutrients, a lot of phytochemicals, and a lot of vitamins in it, full of fiber. So now I mix it together with the soup. Oh, very delicious. I want you to try this version of bitter leaf soup. Bitter leaf soup with kale. That's very good. So I add as much water as you want. The soup looks thick, so I added a little more water to it. If you love this video, subscribe to this video and like it. Give me a thumbs up and tell me which soup you want me to make so that you know how we make that soup. Look at that, it's ready. The bitter leaf soup is ready. We want me very thick, very delicious. We want me, wow, I'm going to show you the fufu I make to eat this soup. It is, oh my god, very very delicious. I'm going to do cabbage fufu and oatmeal, cabbage and oatmeal. Yummy. Thank you. Bye.